It's a little bit more mild, but it still makes your eyes like squinch. Like, I don't know. It's just, it's different. Hi fellow YouTubers, this is Amber, and today I'm coming to you guys with another snack crate box, and today we're gonna be reviewing South Africa snacks. Stay tuned. So the box I have today is this South African box, and I never thought I was gonna get South Africa because on Snack Crate, like, they kind of give you whatever the place of the month is, and I didn't think I was gonna get South Africa, so I'm really shocked and I'm really pleasantly surprised. This just gives you a little bit of information about South Africa and gives you a little booklet and where things are from and all the facts about South Africa, which is really, really cool. Here's inside the box, and here is the item papers right here of what we're gonna be eating today. And then here is a close-up look of the snack crate, South Africa. So let's get right into it. I'm gonna go ahead and place, I try to do a little different setup because the other one, I just felt like you guys couldn't see the stuff as well. So let me go ahead and set this up for you guys. This says Willard Chia Snacks. These ever popular corn snacks sure are easy to snack on. This bag is bursting with robust flavors of either tangy fruit, chutney, or savory roasted chicken. So let's go ahead and taste this one. And there's 2 bags of this, I believe. I believe this one is it too. I'm gonna go ahead and try the extra chicken maize snack, and let's see how this goes. And you guys know I'm a vegetarian, so bear with me here. For some reason, this reminds me of corn nuts. Because I used to eat corn nuts a lot back in the day, like American corn nuts. You know how we have different flavors. This just reminds me of that. It's just a softer texture, which is not bad at all. I think this is a really nice snack for somebody who really likes chicken. I do like these ones. Okay, so this one is very similar to the one I just ate, but this says chutney flavor. I don't know what chutney is, so let's go ahead and try this out to see if I would like it. I really don't know what chutney is. It's like, ugh. It's like a sweet sour tang to it. I don't really know. It's not like a really bad taste, but I don't like really sour stuff to make me like, oh, like, you know, and it kind of gave me that. I'm gonna try to taste it again. It's a little too tangy for me. I don't know about this one. Oh, I'm about to take my eyelashes off. So this is very, very tangy. So if you like sweet and sour tangy, kind of like a barbecue tang, it's like that, but it has more of a tanginess to it. I think that this would be a favorite in America if they had something similar to this. I've never heard of chutney before. So I think that in America, if we had something like this, they would really love this kind of stuff. But this is a little tangy for me. Like, I like stuff that I can enjoy, but not something that's so super tangy that makes your face like squinch up like that. So that's kind of what it did to me. Okay, so this next one is the Chia Snacks chutney flavored Mace Chips. So these are all 3 of these are very similar, the same brand. So let's go ahead and check these out. It's by Willard. I ain't even really reading off of this anymore. I'm just reading off of this. But it's the same chutney snacks, the Willard Chia Snacks. So that's why I just read that one thing. So let's go ahead and check this out. This is chutney flavored too. I don't know what the difference is between, oh, this is extra pack chutney flavored, and then I guess this is regular. So I'm not really sure if I would like this one because the other one was very, very tangy. Maybe this is a little bit more mild. Let's check it out. It's a little bit more mild, but it still makes your eyes like squinch. Like, I don't know. It's just, it's different. I think this would be a favorite out here in America though, but I just don't like a lot of the tang to it. Okay, so now let's get to the chicken flavor maze. It seemed like they're the same. This one's extra chicken, this is regular chicken. So I'm pretty sure it's gonna taste like the same corn nuts that I think it tastes like. Yeah, I don't really taste the difference between these two. This one says extra, this one is regular. They taste the same to me, the exact same. I don't see the difference between these two. This one is a little bit more mild. Yeah, this one is a little bit more mild than this one, but it's very, very similar. So I don't... The next one is these Lay's. Everybody in America knows about Lay's. So I've never heard of this flavor. It's Caribbean onion and balsamic vinegar flavor. So this is some more tang. So let's go ahead and try that out. I actually really like this. This one says, these chips feature a zesty sweet onion flavored paired with a tangy hint of real balsamic vinegar. I actually really like this. This is something I would eat for sure. It's not too tangy, it's just right. It's just like your regular Lay's but a different flavor. So I really like this because it's something that we already kind of eat similar in America. So this is something I'm already used to. So I do actually like this one. I just never tasted this flavor before, which I would buy more than one of these. Now that these are gone, let's go ahead and move these out of the way. This bar is called, this bar here is called the Bar One Peanut, and it says perfect for a 25-hour day. Enjoy layers of melted nougat, peanuts, and caramel all wrapped in a delicious milk chocolate. I love chocolate candy. I don't like chocolate cake. I don't like chocolate ice cream. I do like chocolate candy. So let's go ahead and taste this and see how it tastes. To me, this tastes like our Snickers. Same stuff in it. Tastes just like a Snickers. But I think our Snickers in America is much better than this. But this tastes like kind of like a knockoff Snickers a little bit. But it's not bad at all, but it just really does taste like a Snicker. This is the same type of stuff that's in a Snicker because it has milk chocolate, nougat, caramel, and peanuts in the center. And it's very similar. I want you guys to see how similar it is. It's very similar to a Snickers. And this is what the package looks like. So this one is called Tex, and this one is, since 1956, South Africans love this combination of milk chocolate filled with wafers. I like wafers, by the way. I've always liked wafers since a kid. So let's see how. That one's pretty good. I like it because I like wafers and I like chocolate. I've never actually tasted something that thick. Kind of reminds me a little bit of a Kit Kat, but not really a Kit Kat. That's what it kind of reminds me, the thickness of a big Kit Kat. But I do taste a lot of the wafers. It's not bad at all. It's not something I ever really ate like that as a wafer. And I'm going to go ahead and try the 5-star. So I heard of Cadbury before, and I think that I heard of it with the UK, the Cadbury. So this is 5-star Cadbury. Classic Cadbury milk chocolate wraps around a filling of creamy caramel and cookie bites in this highly sought after candy bar. This one says 5-star. Okay, let's try this one. Okay. I really like this one. This one is different. This one is really, really different. Of course, chocolate and caramel kind of sometimes all taste the same when it comes to like candy, Snicker bars and stuff like that, or bars. But this one is different to me. Like, it's not something I've ever tasted here in America. So this one is really, really different. So yeah, that one's definitely different. So now we have the last thing that we're going to test out is this Stony Ginger Beer Classic. And I should have drank this first. Remember, I told you guys in the last video that you have to pay $5.99 for this extra drink. So let me go ahead and snap this open. But first, let me get a little bit of crackers to make sure that I can taste that, because I've been eating sweet stuff. Okay. Very, very strong, but it is ginger beer for sure. It's actually pretty good. It's pretty good, but it's not the best ginger beer that I've ever had. This is what it looks like. I'll tell you guys what it says on here about the ginger beer. Oh, it doesn't have nothing on. Oh, the ginger beer. Okay. South African favorite. This soda is like a slightly more gingery ginger ale, but not quite as intense as a traditional ginger beer. So to me, it's really, really strong. Like you can feel it burning in your throat. And it's a little bit less sweet than the one I'm used to at the little Jamaican spot that we go to. It's a little bit more mature. I can say that. It's a little bit more strong. But overall, I really like ginger beers. It's pretty good compared to especially Walmart brand. Now, Walmart tried to do a ginger beer and it was so gross. So that's way better than Walmart, but it's not as good as the ginger beer that I normally get in LA. Now it's time to show you guys all of my favorites and what I like the most and what I dislike the most. And you guys kind of already know what I dislike the most, but I really like these extra chicken flavored Mace snacks. I really like these. These really remind me of corn nuts, so I really do like these. I also did like these Mace Chips. And I think that this 5-star candy and this drink is a tie. I just really love these two as well. Like, I could not put them in the third place at least, because I really like candy like this, but I just really like these savory things for some reason. I really don't like a lot of savory stuff, but those two kind of convinced me that I really do like those two chips. So, and of course I always love ginger beer because I always love something to drink. My overall thoughts of this box, I thought it was going to be a little bit more different because it's South Africa. So I was thinking about getting more, I don't know, like I was just thinking about more unique things rather than this kind of stuff. I thought it was just going to be something super unique that I've never tasted before. But all of these are very similar to what we already have in America. So I'm just like, I wasn't impressed by the box. Yeah, so that's what I wanted to say. Thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned for our next box. Thank you guys all so much for watching. Make sure you comment, rate, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. Mwah!